Today in the livestock market, cattle was mixed. It really traded both sides of unchanged, and the range has been pretty tight right now. The futures continued to move sideways, and it seems like no news is good news so far, but the longs are just not ready to liquidate, and it seems like the headline about the Kansas City Tyson plant is ready to go online very soon, in 2 or 3 weeks, maybe is holding the market in check. No one is really ready to give up any of their positions, and I think that that's kind of interesting and just lets you know how strong this market is. It's very possible that a lot of the demand in the beef is because of the trouble that's been going on in the pork market, and so it's moved over and is keeping these markets strong, along with feeders as well. The feeder market was mixed today too, so it's moving sideways, but with the feeder market, it's a little bit kind of entwined in the technical numbers in those moving averages, whereas the live cattle is well above those averages. The feedlots are taking time today to really assess their inventory, but the slow cash trade today has really stalled the futures out, and that's why we are moving a little bit sideways, really on both sides. But we're looking ahead and are careful to the downside, but certainly the cattle on feed report that's coming on Friday is going to be the main focus, is going to be on everyone's mind for the rest of the week. Now on the lean hog market, the export demand is just really dismal, and it's lower yet again. The slow trend down continues. Follow through selling is adding to the downside momentum, and it has a lot of traders worried. The industry is just giving up hope that any mass purchase is going to come out of China, if that's going to even happen anytime soon. They really, really need a U.S.-China deal, at least some phase of it, or to give them some hope to get this market moving. Even if there is a signed deal, it's going to be months before we can really start to make any headway through the supplies. So it's so necessary to get this going, certainly before the holidays come in, and absolutely before the end of the year. So that's going to be something to watch, and maybe this slide will continue until something else happens.